What makes a good budgeting app for beginners?
A good budgeting app for beginners should be easy to use, provide clear insights into your spending, offer essential features at no cost, prioritize security, and help you set and follow a basic budget. These apps simplify financial management, allowing new users to track expenses, categorize transactions, and build confidence with their money, all without being overwhelming or complicated.
Is Mint still a top choice for free budgeting?
Mint has long been a popular free budgeting app thanks to its user-friendly interface and robust features. It lets you sync bank accounts, automatically track expenses, set spending limits, and receive alerts for unusual activity. Mint gives beginners a clear overview of their finances, helping them identify spending habits and stay on track, all without any cost.
How does EveryDollar help with budgeting?
EveryDollar offers a simple, straightforward approach to budgeting, making it ideal for beginners. The free version uses a zero-based method, encouraging users to plan where every dollar goes. Its drag-and-drop interface makes expense tracking easy, though account syncing for automatic imports is paid only. For those starting out, EveryDollar's clear process helps build strong budgeting habits from day one.
What about Goodbudget for envelope-style budgeting?
Goodbudget is a digital take on the traditional envelope system. The free version lets users divide income into spending categories or envelopes, making it easier to plan for expenses. Beginners will find it effective for controlling costs and developing discipline, though account syncing is not available on the free tier. Goodbudget excels at helping novices visualize and stick to their plans.
Are there other free apps worth exploring?
Personal Capital is another free app with a strong focus on tracking accounts and net worth, though it's more investment-oriented. For pure budgeting, apps like Pocket Guard and Spendy offer free versions with intuitive tools. Each has its own strengths, so it's wise to try a few to find the best fit for your financial style and needs.
Tips for choosing the right budgeting app.
When picking a budgeting app, consider your comfort level, device compatibility, and must-have features like expense tracking, account syncing, or strong privacy protections. Many apps offer free versions with optional upgrades. Start simple, stay consistent, and focus on building habits. With the right app, anyone can take the first steps toward financial control and confidence.